Ribbit. Whoops. Pardon me. What do you want? Sorry, Feathers. I didn't mean to make a jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. Sort of runs in the family. Or jumps in the family. Depending on the way you want. Want?
Well, go ahead. You might as well get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There, I hope you feel better now.
Whoa. Hang on. Do you mind if I hop off and come back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, see? I mean, connect the dots. Words like ugly, they don't come much more steadily challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You've been freeing yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You got down in the mouth. Oh, I'm getting nothing here, nothing. Come on, give us a smile.
I want to be left on my own.
That's just downright antisocial. Hang on a minute. I've got a human in my throat. Oh, well, you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in a frog's cloak. And one day, someone's going to come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. And then I say to myself, nah, get real. Who wants to snot a frog? You know what our trouble is?
No.
Our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's a question of taste. But you mark my words, one day, ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fat will pass. Then those whose 14 seasons will walk right on their skin mother. Fashion is a fickle thing. Just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love you. Someone's gonna love you. What's now? Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the border, someone's gonna call for you. The art may look a bit drastic. Trust me, I'm classic. If this old frog girl will wait time. Oops. What am I saying?
Sorry. And if you happen to be near the junkyard, please call it. I love being with my family.
Well, I hope you find it all right. And remember, stay warm, stay cheerful. See ya!